Hey guys, so here's just a quick demo of the new Pixelcade Pulse lighting effects. So what's happening here is as we're selecting various games, we're showing custom lighting effects on LED strips, LED matrices, LED speaker rings, and then we actually even have effects on the side as well. We also do custom effects as you scroll through your consoles as well. And you'll notice we also have a topper here as well. So on the topper, got the manufacturer, got the year the game came out, in this case 1979 for Galaxian. You've got the LED marquee, and then you've got a little mini LCD with some metadata as well. So that's actually a 4-in-1 topper, 4 displays going on there. And so when I shoot something, we'll see some effects, some explosions happen on the LED strips, as well as the Pixelcade Pulse effects matrices. And then we also see a real-time score right here. So the same thing, when I shoot something, you see those effects show. I actually did custom explosions for Galaga, a custom animation for the perfect score, which is right there. It's a little confetti exploding there. We also have stats at the top. Those stats, by the way, will show up each time I clear a level. So watch the stats show up here. As I start this, it should say stage. Okay, stage 1. And same thing here, we'll get the effects as I shoot stuff. So I'm just going to turn off the machine just so you can see what it looks like when the LEDs are all off. So get everything off. So those are the LED speaker rings there. That's the 8x32 Pixelcade Pulse effects matrix. Another LED speaker ring on the right there. Of course, we've got our LED strips. This is pretty cool because this is T-molding that has a slot, a channel for a built-in LED strip. And then we have our effects matrix on the side there. Kind of cool about the topper is we use this acrylic called black LED. I call it stealth black matte. But basically you can't see, even though there's 4 displays behind there, you can't see it. So it just looks like a black matte effect when everything's turned off.